Hello everyone, Erica from ericarock.com, and I wanted to do like a video tutorial about opening to channel. I get a ton of emails, people asking me to teach them how to begin channeling, and so I thought that you might enjoy this information. So we're not going to actually channel in this video. That's going to be a later video. This is just a beginning, like an outline of how I have found it to be optimal to go about this in a safe way, in a grounded, sacred way, okay? So the very first thing I like to do is prepare my physical space for my channeling process. And so I like to use Palo Santo. I like to use frankincense. I like to use copal. Those are what I have found to be it helps like really ground the atmosphere, ground you, and it's very protective and purifying. So you want to open a window just like a smidge to like let things go, let things flow, let things go. So we clear our space. That's step one. Then we sit and we ask, pray, and intend to connect and merge, unify with a higher power of our heart's understanding. Whatever that is for you. God, Goddess, all that is, source of all that is, infinite light, the one who answers my prayers, the oneness, you know, Jesus, if that's the higher power of your heart's understanding, Jesus, or whatever that higher power is that you most resonate with, as to merge, connect, unify, call in that energy to fill you. Completely and totally fill you, okay? Then we open sacred space. And how I like to do that, and I'm not saying this is the only way or the right way, I'm just saying it is a way, and if it resonates with you, wonderful. So, open sacred space. So I like to ask, pray, and intend to open a portal of divine grace in my space. And the reason I use grace is because it's a very loving energy. It's calming energy, soothing, nurturing, supportive. And grace also helps you to radically open to receive all the gifts and blessings the universe wants to give you. So it's a really nice energy to marinate in. Think of like your hot tub or your pool or whatever is just full of grace, and you're like chilling in it. You're just being in it, vibing with it, receiving it, okay? So I open a portal of divine grace in my space. That's the first part. Then we call in the archangels, and I call forth the archangels of Michael, Gabriel, Raphael, and Ariel. I also call upon my God team, my spirit guides, my animal totems, and my crystal allies. I ask all of these beings of the one true light to overlight this process and to keep me protected as I open to channel, only allowing in the most resplendent, illuminating, light-filled energies and or beings. We open the four directions: north, east, south, and west. And we now declare that our circle is open, our circle is open, our circle is open. Now, before we get into the channeling, a question that I get asked all the time is, how will I know that I'm actually channeling who I intend to channel? The messages that will come through will be confirmation about the things you already know deep in your heart. It's a lot of confirmation of what you already know, what you need to hear. The messages should be inspired, loving, supportive, make you feel expanded, open your heart, intuitive, loving, kind. Even if it's a message that needs to come through, that might be, a little like say they're suggesting you need to look at your relationship. They'll do it in such a way that is very loving. It's not going to cause a lot of fear or whatever. And the thing is, you'd already know this. You'd already know. But the messages should make you feel they're loving, they're inspired, they're positive. If you're receiving messages that are full of fear, that all of that is not who you're asking to channel. And that's why we do all this preparation and get really clear about who is it that we are channeling. Because especially if you're new to this, there's a lot of mischievous beings out there. And I'm not telling you this to put fear in you, but there's mischievous beings and they know you're a newbie and they'll try to mess with you. So this is why we set the stage and we're really clear and we ask the archangels to oversee and protect the circle, the space while we're channeling. My other suggestion is that you start channeling, if you're new, start with just channeling your own higher self and or your heart, your inner knowing, truth, and wisdom that resides within you. We don't start with channeling angels or masters or Jesus or Mother Mary. We don't start with that. That's more advanced, and you need to get really grounded in this practice first. So start channeling that which is safe, higher self, heart, inner knowing, inner truth, inner wisdom. And then once you get really good with this and you feel really confident and just faith and trust and it's flowing and it's all good, then you can start intending to channel some of these other beings. But always make sure you use these words, that you're channeling the true Mother Mary, who is a being of the one true light. It's important to use those words because there are other beings that will tell you they're Mother Mary or Jesus or Saint Germain or Buddha or Krishna or whomever. They'll tell you they are that. If you have to be super specific about how you call them in and ask to connect with them, because there's mischievous beings that will show up and tell you they're Mary or whomever. And I see this happen to hundreds of thousands of people all the time. They think they're channeling XYZ and they are not. So we lay the foundation first and start higher power or higher self, heart, inner knowing, inner wisdom, inner truth. We start there. And so we ask to channel that. That is who we are praying firmly, intending to channel. And then you put pen to paper and you get out of the way. Let go, get out of the way and allow. And just start to write everything that comes through. Whether it seems to make sense or not, just write it down. Write it down, write it down, write it down. And write it down so you feel like you're complete. And then, and this is so important, you speak aloud that you're closing the circle and you thank and release the 4 directions, your spirit guides, God team, the archangels, beings of the one true light who overlighted and assisted the process. Close the circle, and you specifically, I close the portal of divine grace. Close it all down. We don't leave that stuff open because you asked for trouble. So that's how I like to teach people to start the channeling process. So try this out, see how it goes. If you have any questions or want to share experiences, post them in the comments below. If you know of anyone that could benefit from this information, please share it with them. I always appreciate that. And so I think I'm going to do a deeper video in the next day or so where we actually channel together, where we do this process and then we channel together. Okay, so look for that. It will be fun. So thank you for watching, connecting. I hope this has helped you in some way, and have a beautiful rest of your day wherever you are in the world.